got history. Got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know ain't that a sight to see. Take my time, then take your clothes off one more time maybe. Acting like you don't recall it, ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came from me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history. Put my feelings all.
Guys, here are the goats. That one is Heather, and that one is Holly. Hi, Holly. Hi, Heather. So, I want to try and pet. I've never touched a goat. Well, I probably have. Hi. It's okay. I won't. Come on. Oh, so cute. Oh, she's nipping me. Ow. This is like a POV. You want any pets? Oh. You do. Oh, she's licking me. Ow, she's nibbling me. Guys, you are in for a surprise. Guys, you know that joke about always sniffing my toes? It's like she's doing that. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Balls. Oh. Ow. Okay, that's nice. Oh no. Guys, here's my new lap. Should I blur that? Ow. Oh, no. 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 Stop trying to hurt me. No fainting good, guys.
Okay, you can pet me back. Oh, sniffy. Ow.
Friend, you're my friend. We are here where the fireworks will be. We hear little pops everywhere.
He come after me.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm in trouble. What is it? D-E-E-Z. No, it's D-A-T-H-A-P-T-A.
Oh, you done something bad. They coming for us. We shouldn't have done that. It was too explosive. Oh, come on. You lit another one. Ooh. Guys, please like and subscribe to our channel. This channel is great if you want to see more content like this. Oh, no, they're coming back.
I don't want to get arrested. Don't arrest me, please.
We're only 5 years old. I don't know. Woo. I'm not saying my actual age. Goodbye. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I really hope I got the first few on camera.
Are you in video?
Well, we'll see. This hurts my head. My head hurts so bad. Oh. Uh-oh. See that? I'm so ouch. Owie. Mama watching the camera. Ow. I don't even see him. Okay, I should not be watching the camera. Ha!
Oh, no.
Oh!
Right? Maybe they tried to make an atomic bomb but failed great.
Ah!
Dynamite?
You can watch it on.
Yeah, I never.
Fireworks for some reason always make me feel like I'm gonna throw up. I don't know why.
You and
Oh!
because I told you.
Ow! Is this the finale already? So, I like watching this more in real life than on camera. I'm watching it from the side. This is so great. Oh, I went so much above it. Oh, this is gonna get so many views. Oh! Oh, I can see them going off down there. Clapping already. This is so much better not on camera. It's so blurry. Grand finale. My neck hurts. They have so many. Five zoom. Woo! USA. Wow, in the lot. I can't get it all on camera. It's so hard. It's literally like right above us. Best video on YouTube. Oh no, there's more police. Don't be mad. I'm getting all of them. YouTube, don't notice this copyrighted music. This is so illegal. Oh yeah, happy birthday to you. Yes. Woman. Ah! Cops, it's okay. These are commercial fireworks. Oh my God. Whoa, those are pretty. Dang it. This is so good. I'm saying dang it because I can't get a good shot. Eh. We're at war. Oh my. No, it's not. Here we go. What? Okay, guys. Well, I think the fireworks have finally ended. The police were, here. Normal. Yeah, subscribe to Bees That Game. Shout out to this one dude. I think his name is Brandon. Shout out to this one dude that watches our channel. No, it's not. Shout out to this one dude that watches our channel. So, yeah, I like you. We will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe now.